Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan, where today we're going to make an oil-free broccoli mushroom stir fry. I did this on my wok, guys, and I used not one single drop of oil at all. It was so easy, so simple, so tasty. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Hey, it's Chuck here from Brand New Vegan, where I show you how easy and tasty it is to cook plant-based. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll put the link to the recipe in the description box below. Here we go. So I'm using some soy sauce and a little bit of red chili pepper flakes, and that is it, no oil. I put that in my wok, my cold wok. I'm going to bring up the heat, and right when it starts to boil, right there, I'm going to add my onion. And then we're just going to stir. This is a stir fry. You're going to be stirring a lot, so stir, stir, stir. That's the key to not having anything stick in your wok without oil, is just to keep that food moving. Always, always moving. So I added a little garlic here and a little ginger. Stir, stir, stir. And then I'm going to add my mushrooms. Now while the mushrooms are cooking down, because they do take a little while, I have some broccoli I'm going to use, fresh broccoli. I zapped that in my microwave so it was a little bit softer. I don't want to cook it too much because I don't want it to be mushy, right, in my stir fry. There go the red peppers. But the broccoli, you want to cook it just a little bit beforehand. You can steam it, microwave it, whatever. Now you just add everything together, and I threw in a big handful of spinach, and that was it. I mean, how simple is that? It was whole ingredients. There's no fancy sauce, nothing special. Just broccoli, mushrooms, some bell pepper, some onions, some garlic and ginger, and spinach in a hot pan. Stir it around until it's cooked. I mean, it was so good. You can put this on your rice, put it on noodles, eat it the way it is. However you like it, be sure and leave me a comment below. Tell me how you like it. And until next week, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.